Hi, I'm Captain Scott with Formula Boats. Thanks for taking time to check out this video.
This is a 2014 Formula 310 Bowrider. We're going to hop on board, give you a little tour. So this 2014 310 Bowrider recently came in on trade. It's a Formula owned trade, serial customer. Very well kept boat. We'll start over here at the helm. You can see this boat has joystick piloting. Vessel view, nice gauges, everything's still well intact. Ladies and kids, or for you guys who act like ladies and kids, head compartment doesn't look like it's ever been used. I mentioned this boat is powered by the Mercruiser 8.2 liter mag, 380 horsepower. And there's plenty of storage on a 310 Bowrider. It's here, under the port side seat, which also has dive tank storage, under the cockpit seats, and under the aft sun pad. And last but not least, this huge locker in the floor. She's available. It's stored here at Suntex in St. Pete. Ready for immediate delivery.
Once again, thanks for taking time to watch this video. To learn more about this boat and others in our active inventory, contact me directly at 813-598-0546 or by email formulareptampa@gmail.com. And if you didn't know, Formula does take trays on both new and pre-owned vessels. Thank you.